Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create the circle puzzle video effect on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to select mask and select the circle button and just adjust the mask like so, and then I'm just going to copy and paste that. Then I'm going to go to mask again and I'm going to scale down the mask like so, like probably this much. Then I'm going to rotate it once. Then I'm going to copy and paste that and I'm going to scale it down again, and I'm going to rotate it again one time, again one more, and I'm just going to put it down here and I'm going to rotate it once again. I think it's totally like up to you. And then on the second one I'm going to go to basic and then add keyframe at the beginning, and at the end I'm going to rotate it to its original position. Well, you are going to try to rotate it in the original position, just like move it around so it's like to the the like shape. So you can do it just like manually, or you can like do it with the thing, but I prefer to do it manually because it's more accurate. And then on the third one I'm going to again add a keyframe at the beginning, and at the end I'm going to rotate it to its original position, and I'm going to again move it a little bit to fit it perfectly with the, well, to try to fit it perfectly. Then lastly we're going to add a keyframe at the beginning again. Then at the end I'm going to rotate that last piece of puzzle, hopefully fitting her face. Again, it's not going to look perfect because it does snap a lot. So I think that should be kind of good enough, even though it does move a little bit. There you go. And then it's gonna snap into place, and this is what your final video should look like. And I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!